Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Fern's Life. This is Sunday morning at around 8:39. I decided to record the clip from this time to show you how our Sunday started. As you can see, we decided to do deep cleaning of the kitchen and I chose Sunday to do it so that I could get my husband's help to clean those parts where I won't be able to reach, especially the exhaust fan. So he's outside getting the exhaust fan cleaned, and I'm doing what I can. I woke up pretty early, as you could have seen in my Saturday vlog video. I wake up at 5:30 every morning. And in case you missed seeing how my daily routine starts, then please do check out the video. I will link the video in the description box so you can check it from there. Once the exhaust fan cleaning is done, I am spraying kitchen cleaner on the walls. As you can see, my tiles are white, so they need to be cleaned most of the time. And now that the glass shelves are out, I'm getting a chance to clean it. After which, I will be cleaning the glass shelves and putting it back in order. My husband here is getting all the spices ready that we will require for the dish that we are planning to make. So he's decided to cook up yakni pulao today, and for that we require a lot of whole spices. At the same time, he's also making our breakfast ready, and here are all the dishes laid out which need to be kept up once the cooking is done. Here's the yakni pulao preparation. The first step is to cook the meat. So we add in a cooker meat, whole spices, and onion, water, and let it cook. हाय एवरीवन, आज के संडे का शुरुआत बहुत ही अलग तरीके से हुआ. हमने हमारे दिन का शुरुआत किचन के क्लीनिंग से स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि आज कुछ स्पेशल बन रहा है. और अगर आपको पता नहीं तो मैं आपको बता दूं, हर संडे मेरे हस्बैंड कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल वैसे ही बनाते, बट इस संडे वो बना रहे यखनी पुलाव और शेव कुरमा. तो अभी मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ शेव कुरमा ट्राई करने के लिए, बट हाँ, मेरा काम है कि मैं प्रेपरेशन करूँ. तो बस आपसे बातें करते करते मैं सारे बादाम, पिस्ता, काजू, जो भी चीज़ें लगते हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, वो सारे मैं काट के रखती हूँ. तो वही मेरा काम है, चॉपिंग का और प्री प्रेप करना. हस्बैंड मेरे किचन में और वो खाना बना रहे. अब क्योंकि वो खाना बना रहे तो ये सारे बर्तनें जो लगानी थी किचन के स्टैंड पे वो बाद में लगेगी. तो मैं धीरे धीरे कर लूँगी, पूरा दिन है. बट उनका ऐसा है कि मैं शुरू में ही अपना काम करके ख़त्म कर दूँ. सो सुबह सुबह उन्होंने पहले किचन के सफाई से स्टार्ट किया दिन, फिर हमने प्रे किया, नाश्ता भी उन्होंने बनाया बिकॉज क्लीनिंग में मेरा भी हालत हो गया था तो मुझे चाहिए था थोड़ा रेस्ट. तो उन्होंने नाश्ता भी बनाया और अब वो खाना बना रहे. तो बस देखते हैं खाना कैसे बनता है. आई एम श्योर अच्छा ही बनेगा, बट मैं आपको ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी कैसा बना है खाना. तो आप आगे का भी वीडियो देख लीजिए. So here the mutton is cooked, and as you can see, the mutton is kept separately and the yakni, which is the water in which the mutton was cooked, is kept separately. We'll need that water in cooking our pulao. So when we start cooking the pulao, we add oil, few whole spices, fried onions, green chili and red chili. Get it all fried, not too much of frying because the onions are already browned. After which we put in the mutton, we put in the rice, the yakni water and an extra cup of water. While that's cooking, we have now started to prepare the Shiv Kurma, and I'm very excited to see how it turns out. But here you can see all the chopped dry fruits that's needed. We need lots of them, so I'm going to show you what all we require for the Shiv Kurma. First thing is the Shiv, I think that's what you call it, which my husband is getting ready. At the same time, we have this, which is charoli. We have cashews. This is badam paste. Then there's chopped almonds, chopped cashews, pista, dried date, as well as condensed milk. You will see on the stove there is, okay, here there's kesar also soaked in milk, and here we have the milk boiling. While the milk is boiling, we fried the vermicelli we in ghee. आइए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ शेर कुरमा कैसे बना. ये देखिए, इतना अच्छा कलर आया है और सारे ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी बहुत अच्छे से ऊपर दिख के आ रहे. थैंक यू शोना, इतना अच्छा शेव कुरमा बनाने। फर्स्ट टाइम बना हमारे घर में और हम लोग बहुत प्राउड है दैट वी मेड अ शेव कुरमा एट आवर होम। और बहुत अच्छा भी लग रहा है एंड वी टेस्टेड अ लिटिल, बहुत टेस्टी भी है। आइए आपको यखनी पुलाव भी दिखा देती हूँ, ये देखिए। खुशबू तो बहुत ही अच्छी आ रही है। लंच करके हो गया हमारा एंड द यखनी पुलाव टेस्टेड वेरी डिलिशियस, वेरी फ्लेवरफुल, वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव सच अ हार्टी लंच। बस अब शेव कुरमा टेस्ट करना बाकी है, वो हम थोड़ी देर बाद करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ अ लिटिल ऑन द हॉट साइड एज वी जस्ट कुकड इट। बट इट आई थिंक टुडेज मेन्यू इज़ बैंग ऑन एंड सुपर। तो बस अब किचन का काम निपटा के आई विल वॉश ऑल द डिशेज, सेटल एवरीथिंग एंड वाइंड एवरीथिंग अप, and that way I'll get some time to rest. No plans made for the evening. I might stay at home and play with Sophie for some time. And in case you're wondering why I'm looking down every time, here's my other daughter, Cookie girl. Cookie, look in the camera, baby. Mwah. In the camera, babu. So she is my other daughter, my fur baby, Cookie girl. And evening at around 8, we play housey. So it is very interesting the way we play housey, and that happens every Sunday evening. It's again organized by our church so that the community is engaged. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's on played on WhatsApp. So I will definitely show you how that is done. So that's going to come up. And apart from that, there's nothing much that we'll be doing today. Since it's a Sunday, I'll use this time to rest. And that's it for now. So I'll see you guys very soon. बच्चे अपना टीवी देख रहे हैं, so they are engaged. And to be honest, I decided that I will sleep, but I didn't rest because I was so busy getting everything sorted and settled. So here are all my dishes and stuff kept. कैसा लगा शेकुरमा? तो चलिए मैं आपको फटाफट से दिखा देती हूँ what all I purchased for my week. So these are mostly vegetables. I prefer buying it for the week mainly because it's not right to step outdoors if not needed, and at the same time I would prefer everything there available at home so that I can just quickly grab it from the fridge and cook it up when I need it. Vegetables that I have purchased should last me for 6 days because I also use it to make the lunch box, and we also have it daily. So here you'll see these are all the green veggies that I've purchased. This is methi, then I've got palak. I know it's not the season for methi and palak, but and I found it quite fresh, so I thought I'll pick it up. And after getting it all cleaned and settled, I have put them in different boxes. As you can see, this is my green masala box where I've got my chilies, coriander, ginger, garlics kept separate. This is my salad box where I've got all the salad items kept one place. Here I keep the onions and potatoes. I also planned on making chicken cheese croquettes. So here's how I started to make the recipe. Sophie is helping me. What I do is I first fry onions with butter. Once it's soft, I add maida. So this is once maida is added. I'll fry the maida up. I do not have to change the color. Then I add a little milk. Once the milk is added up to its consistency that I need, I then added this seasoning and salt, of course. After which I add the boiled chicken and boiled potatoes. So here's how that mixture looks like. I also added one green chili. There's cheese, there's maida, there's onion, sorry, not onion, there is egg, and there was breadcrumbs. This is how I formed it, and this is how it looks. Also, you can store these chicken croquettes in the fridge and use it for the next few days. So I did have a couple left and I stored them in this glass container box. Here Sophie and her dad are playing. Sophie, you want to show the cover of how the actual picture looks like?
Yes, actually,
Oh, so empty these puzzles in that. Do one thing, turn that box upside down. Yes, correct.
so it's actually
This. And there are how many pieces? 250. No wonder why you're not able to do it. Me and Dada tried to help her, but we still couldn't manage. And so this is what I was talking about. Our housey ticket, which we have to manually make, it is sent to us on WhatsApp, and then the numbers are announced in the group, and we tick. Okay, we just got a break from the housey game that we were playing, and I just realized that I wanted to end the vlog because this game gets very intense as and when you start ticking the numbers, and this is the third game we are playing so far during the lockdown 2.0 that we are in. So just wanted to come on camera and quickly say bye for now. This was our Sunday for today, and I hope you guys liked our Sunday. If you liked it, then do check out my video and like my video, and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm planning on sharing more such content, and hopefully you all enjoy watching what we do as a family. It would be really nice if you support me in this journey, so please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it if you can. And we'll see you soon in our next video.